This is problem number 9 from section 9.5. In this problem it says, if possible, find A times B, and then also try to find B times A. Well, if we start by trying to find A times B, we need to look at the dimensions of each. This is a 3 by 3, and this is a 3 by 1. And if you notice, the middle dimensions for our matrices match, right? So the ends that we need to have match 3 by 3, or sorry, 3 and 3 in the middle, leaving us with we're going to end up with a 3 by 1 matrix if you look at the outside dimensions. So let's go ahead and mark a 3 by 1 matrix right here, and I'm going to use the calculator to do the multiplications. So we're going to multiply the row times the column to start. Row 1 times the only column there. So 3 times 1 plus 0 times negative 1 plus negative 3 times 3. And you get negative 6. And then we're going to do the second row times that column. So we're going to do 4 times 1 plus negative 4 times negative 1 and plus 5 times 3. That's 23. Finally, we're going to do the third row times that column. So we get 2 times 1 plus 0 times negative 1 plus 3 times 3. And that gives you 11. So our solution for A times B is this 3 by 1 matrix, negative 6, 23, 11. Now we want to try to do B times A. Well, if I try to do B times A, that's going to be this matrix, 1, negative 1, 3, times 3, 0, negative 3, 4, negative 4, 5, and 2, 0, 3. We got to look at the dimensions. This is a 3 by 1. This is a 3 by 3. And guess what? Look at these two dimensions here. On the middle dimensions, and remember, when we actually go to solve this matrix, or multiply it, I should say, the middle dimensions have to be equal. The middle dimensions are not equal. Because they're not equal, you can't actually do the multiplication, and I'll show you why. We have row 1 times this column, 1 times 3, and then we don't have anything else to multiply because there's only one element in that row. So we can say that B times A doesn't exist. And that's all that we can say about that. So A times B works, but B times A does not.